Hi, I'm Brad Schaufert, and welcome to the 2026 PGA Show. We're behind the scenes now, about to unveil the 2027 E-Z-GO Liberty. This is the premier vehicle for the market. Ground-up design, customer focus, and with everything intended to be the envy of both the neighborhood and the golf course. We looked at all the styling from the automotive sector, the technology from the automotive sector, and combined it with what we love in the golf space. You'll notice instantly the sleek new style, the streamlined canopy and windshield, the new front with front trunk space. You'll see our technology packages, including front LED lights, under footwell LED lights, and also LED lights on the 28-inch Eco X Gear soundbar. What we're really excited to introduce is our 10-inch IntelliScreen technology. You can control your maximum speed. You can control your maximum acceleration and deceleration. This also gives you the ability to lock the system under your own pass and pin code, making family safety a priority and putting you in control. You also notice our new wireless charging mount for any size phone that can be viewed through the steering wheel and be used while in drive mode and while in park mode. 3 enhanced storage options have been added from the traditional Liberty into the new E-Z-GO Liberty. This vehicle comes in your traditional PTV package, as well as low-speed vehicle packages meeting all federal and industry regulations for speeds up to 25 miles per hour. Our 3-point DOT seatbelts are configured outward in, giving you more assurance for the drive. The E-Z-GO Liberty has more room, more power, more style, more technology to make you the envy of both the neighborhood and the golf course.